Alright guys, the moment has arrived. I got a new thing for my Canon and it is something that will be very useful in the parks. This box was here before we came in. It is currently 2:05 in the morning and I'm here to show you what is in here. I have a mic for the Canon SX60. This is amazing. Now, I've never really experienced with the mic on a camera. Hopefully this will make the sound much better when I'm in crowds, because I noticed in my last videos it's really hard to hear me at some scenes. It's my first time testing it. Let's open it up and see. Awesome. It is January 1st, New Year's Day, and we will be spending it in the Magic Kingdom. It's freezing out here and it's drizzling. Like little pieces of water is just hitting your face. It's like fog coming at you. We are walking down Main Street. We're about to walk down Main Street. We're heading down to our breakfast reservation at the Be Our Guest restaurant in the Beast Castle. Let's go. Yay.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. Looks like a fantastic meal. Can't wait to eat this. And there's the rose right there. Yeah. What I recently recorded was a rose petal falling off of the enchanted rose. And I believe it happens every 8 to 7 minutes. I think that's the only way. I kept the time. One started at 10:47 and then it did it again at 10:55. So I'm thinking around 8 minutes, but it might be shorter. So that's just, if you eat here, you'll know how long you'll be until you can see the rose petal fall.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feel, and I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above, and the sun's in my heart.
We are leaving the park because we are going to Epcot where we meet up with our grandparents. We have
Garden Grill for lunch.
Okay, we have Garden Grill for lunch, which is the reason why we're also heading out to Epcot. And I've just received information. We're going to Space Mission relaunch. Mission Space. What did I say? We're going to Mission Space to Epcot, and we're going to also have lunch at Garden Grill, and that's going to be delicious.
Incredible. Everything you just said.
Did you lie to me? Did you lie to me, Dad?
No.
Mom, where are we having lunch at?
Cordon Creek.
Oh.
You lied to me.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing.
No, it's not. Oh,
I get him confused.
You're the one who missed
We're going to Coral Reef. Coral Reef. On a different case, we also have Tapanito for dinner, and that I'm very much looking forward to. Oh, and here's our monorail.
Everyone from the place, come on with the rain. I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain.
Cleared off for you here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Commander. Okay, systems on, panels on. Y'all are now hypersync lit enabled. Alright, systems on.
What did she say? Put your head forward and close your eyes.
Mission control, now fire.
Alright, systems o'clock.
You okay?
Yep. I got it.
I need to go pee.
Me too.
That's code.
Team, we've got a problem. Beginning invasive maneuvers. This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site. Proximity alert.
Oh my god!
Send wings for gliding. Now. Wings extended. Hold left. Once again in hold. Now right. Just hold it steady. Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200 Watch feet. The barrier.
What year is this?
Hang on. Down and clear. Alert. Location Canyon Edge. Don't move a muscle.
Lieutenant Dan.
Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the Astronaut Corps.
Okay.
All right then. Now we're gonna get inside the restaurant that we're gonna eat for lunch. That is known as Coral Reef.
Dining on any meal plans this afternoon?
Yeah, we have Disney Deluxe, I think,
Together or separate?
together.
Okay.
We're only going to use 4 tickets, though.
Okay. The seasonal soup today is a carrot ginger soup. Okay. If I could.
May I have one sweet tea, please? Thank you.
El Seafood Scampi tiene de todo tipo de mariscos.
We are currently inside Coral Reef. We are seated in a very nice spot at the end of the row of the second floor. I know what I want for entree. I will be having the octopus for entree.
He likes octopus too.
He wanted to try the octopus.
It tastes good. It tastes like chicken. I believe I'll get this. The Pier Seared Veracino Salmon. While we were eating our appetizer, we found someone who didn't enjoy. Yeah.
Baby, I don't even know.
This is Frank.
We are not naming it. Once you name it, you start getting attached to it.
Literally the shape of the octopus. This is so sad.
No, I tried the octopus.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's got a huge plate.
I really like it.
Got these also. Got something.
Not
Got
cut
the
so much.
salmon. Looks delicious. The place is hot.
Oh,
And now we're on our way to Soaring.
lunch.
Let's go.
Lunch.
All right, guys, we're gonna do Soaring right now. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Let's get it on. Thank you. All right, guys, we're gonna ride something awesome.
We're going up to Elsa's ice
Change of plans. We will actually be eating in Morocco inside Marrakesh. But Happy New Year, sir. Well, here I am seeing many items on the menu. It looks delicious, and I cannot wait to choose one. Let's see what we get. Specialties. Let's see what it's here. Beef, chicken, lamb shank, vegetables. Okay, this one actually looks good. I think I want to go with the New York strip steak. The design here is nice, but what I've noticed is it's really crowded. Really crowded. People's chairs are very out, and as you walk through, you kind of struggle to get in. The walls are very close together, so I'm going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best restaurant in Disney World, and 1 being like a simple counter meal. I'm rating this 5. My plate of goodness, New York steak. As you can see, I already started eating. I apologize, I won't have time to record it. In the meantime, I'm going to do once again the snap move. Observe.
No, porque aquí andamos, gracias a Dios.
Delicious steak. I enjoyed it. It was good food.
7.5.
Yeah, the entire restaurant. It was delicious. I loved it.
Que se incendiaron con la...
I wonder what tea this is.
Vamos a orar por la Katy.
Can you put in the comments below what tea this is? Because I have no idea. Anyways, it's about time that we head back to the resort. Let's go. Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. We have returned to All-Star Movies Resort. That is very cool. Focus on me, camera. Thank you. I believe I will end day 2 for today. I've had an amazing time from the Magic Kingdom to Epcot. Amazing breakfast till dinner and lunch. And I hope to see you guys real soon. Tomorrow we will be spending our day in the Magic Kingdom. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And share your comments below of what you think I could have done this day or the question I asked you inside Marrakesh. Thank you for watching. See you real soon.